Hi there. If you've heard terms like ChatGPT, Gemini, or LLMs and felt overwhelmed, stop right there. Forget the technical jargon. If you know how to send a text message or ask a question, you already know the hardest part of using artificial intelligence. I'm going to walk you through your first hour with an LLM. We'll cover 3 simple concepts: basic prompting, controlling the AI's creativity, temperature, and understanding what the AI can't do. Let's get you started. Section 1. The art of basic prompt.
The LLM is a collaborator, not a mind reader.
A large language model is essentially a massive, highly trained text prediction engine. It doesn't think. It uses everything it's ever read to give you the most likely,
most useful word sequence next to get a great result.
You need a great prompt.
A bad prompt is vague, like write a story about a dog. A good prompt has 3 key ingredients. 1. The role. Tell the AI who it needs to be.
Act as a professional food blogger.
2. The task. Tell the AI exactly what to do. Example, who specializes in quick weeknight meals. 3. The format or constraint. Tell the AI how to deliver the output. Example,
Generate 3 simple recipes using only 5 ingredients each and present the result in a bulleted list. Putting it together, the AI now knows its persona, its mission, and its required output structure. Instead of getting a boring paragraph about a fictional dog, you get actionable, targeted content. Your turn to practice. Start adding a role to every prompt you write. Section 2.
Controlling creativity with temperature. The magic dial. Temperature. Every major LLM interface has an advanced setting,
Usually called temperature or creativity. This is your magic dial, and here is how it works. Low temperature, near zero. This is the safety zone. The AI will choose the most statistically certain word next. The output will be dry, factual, repetitive, and excellent for things that need to be correct, like summarizing reports, generating code, or extracting dates. Use low temperature for fact. High temperature, near 1.0 or more. This is the adventure zone. The AI takes chances, choosing less common, more surprising words. The output will be creative, unique, and perfect for things like writing poetry, developing character backstories, or generating marketing taglines. Use high temperature for creativity. Pro tip: if you ask the AI to write a factual report at a high temperature, it might invent facts. If you ask it to write a poem at a low temperature, the poem will be boring. Learn to match the temperature to the task. Section 3. Model limitations. The AI can't.
While these tools are powerful,
They aren't perfect. To use them safely and effectively, you must understand their 3 major limitations. 1. Hallucinations. Factual errors. LLMs sometimes make up facts, sources, or quotes that sound totally convincing but are completely false. This is called a hallucination. Always use the AI for research, but never use it as the final source of truth. Double-check any critical fact it provides. Point 2. Real-time data. Many base models were trained on data that only goes up to a certain point in the past. If you ask about current events, sports scores, or new technologies, they might not know. Use models with built-in search grounding, like Gemini, when you need current information. Point 3. No true understanding. The AI doesn't have consciousness, feelings, or real-world experience. It doesn't know what a dog feels like. It just manipulates text based on patterns. When you treat it like a clever tool rather than a thinking being, you'll be less frustrated by its occasional mistakes. Congratulations, you're no longer a beginner. You know how to specify a role, structure a task, control the creativity, and identify when to verify the information. The best way to learn is by doing. Go to your favorite LLM right now, assign it a role, and try adjusting that temperature dial. But if you found this helpful, share this video with a friend who is still scared of the AI revolution. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy prompting.
You learned something new. Tap like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.